LinguaLink. Meet the team.
With LinguaLink, international exchange students will be able to bridge language barriers and promote greater cultural understanding, have offline access to translation services, learn languages, use the app regardless of whether they have disabilities, and lastly, LinguaLink includes privacy assurance for all users.
Offline mode allows users to download language packs and use the app even when they don't have an internet connection. The app contains advanced natural language processing and contextual understanding to provide more accurate and context-aware translations by recognizing and translating local slang and idiomatic expressions. The app offers both voice and text translation capabilities, allowing users to choose the mode that best suits their needs, whether they want to speak, type, or listen to translations. Unlike most translation apps, we enable real-time group conversation translation. The camera translation feature allows for real-time visual translations, enabling users to instantly convert menus, signs, notes, and diverse content into their preferred language using the device's camera. The app also has language learning features, offering mini lessons, quizzes, pronunciation guides, and personalized exercises and feedback to help users learn the languages that they are translating. Additionally, cultural insights are included, as well as etiquette tips to help users navigate conversations with respect and understanding in various regions. You are also able to pin conversations and look at your history.
We have identified a unique market position that will lead us to creating a successful venture. The main companies in the translation industry include Linebridge, Transperfect, and RWS. They operate across all sectors within AI and human translation, but tend to not offer services directly to consumers. As per the positioning map, we have identified a gap in the market for our app. It differs from its competitors, namely Google Translate, which is mostly known for being a free app that you type into and it translates into another language, with their newest feature also being able to translate pictures and signs. These are common features that many of the other translation apps also have. But what differentiates our app is that it offers many more services, which Sophia has previously mentioned, and is more valuable at only $5.99 a month, or free for uni students as it is paid for by the university. The most similar app is Triplingo, which has similar features to the app, however they only offer 13 languages and is not available in the App Store.
With the development of artificial intelligence and artificial technologies such as machine learning, language processing, and speech recognition, the languages required to be deployed for LinguaLink are available, making our service feasible.
In terms of the market feasibility, the low barriers of entry within the translation software market due to its highly fragmented nature will allow us to enter the market and gain competitive advantage beside our competitors due to our distinctive features. Our product will respond accordingly to the demand that we have identified through the surge in international students in UK universities. A key factor that will allow us to achieve this is through our university sponsorship program, playing a key role in our source of revenue and marketing plan.
For financial feasibility, we took into account the cost of developers, the cost of publishing our application onto Google Play and the Apple Store, as well as taking into account other cash obligations, which all total to £140,000, which we plan to finance by personal cash injections, bank loans, and potentially venture capitalists and angel investors.
For our customer segments, in the short term, we plan to target educational institutions who can provide this service to their students through our app. Our value proposition is that real-time translation will facilitate group communication between individuals who speak different languages. The channel we plan to use to reach our target market currently is through an app. For customer relationships, we aim to promote brand loyalty and an enhanced customer experience by making our app user-friendly, easy to understand, and by providing excellent customer and technical support. In the short term, our revenue sources will include the free version of our app, which will have limited access to the features mentioned previously and will generate revenues from ads. For access to the premium version with unlimited access to all features, we plan to charge educational institutions for the licensing of the app so they can grant access to all of their students. Our key resources will include capital, customer data access, developers, and employees to address customer service issues. Key activities include AI translation technology acquisition, app design, development and creation, bug fixing, the marketing campaign, and the creation and management of partnerships. Our key partners in the short term are educational institutions. And lastly, our cost structure will include technology infrastructure costs, app development and maintenance costs, language database licensing or acquisition costs, customer support costs, and marketing and promotion costs. For our growth plan, we plan to expand our customer base to travelers, businesses, and governments who could use our app instead of hiring expensive translators or interpreters. To maximize our reach, we would like to develop a website and a web extension version of our app. Ultimately, we plan to grow by obtaining market share and remaining competitive until a large company like Google acquires LinguaLink.